Red Epic is a digital cinema camera used in the film industry. When Red first introduced the Epic, it had a price tag of $40,000, but in 2013, Sony released the F55, another digital cinema camera to compete with the Red. Shortly thereafter, the Epic's price was reduced by 40%. How much volume will they have to gain in order for this price decrease to keep their profitability? Instead of using statistically rigorous formulas that rely on inferences or hard-to-find inputs, it's better to gain a definitive understanding of what direction to take. The incremental break-even analysis shows us which way to go. For example, the Red Digital Cinema Camera Company is a privately owned business, but let's assume that we have their financials and that we know that their contribution margin is 70%. If we combine this with the 40% price drop, they would need to increase sales by 133% to remain as profitable as before. Here is how to calculate the incremental break-even analysis. We start by taking the negative percent price change. Then we divide this by a combination of the percent contribution margin plus the percent price change chosen. This will give us a percentage volume, showing us how much we need to increase or decrease in sales to remain as profitable as before. A data table in Excel can be used to easily create a full range of price change scenarios, kind of like a cheat sheet. Looking at this table, we can see that if Red had increased their price instead by 40%, they could have sold 36% less and remained as profitable as before. One of the benefits of the break-even sales change approach is practicality. Very few pricing decisions are made with the luxury of knowing in advance how competitors and customers will respond to them. How many managers know what their customers' demand curve looks like? This analysis provides the information needed to conclude whether or not the price decision is directionally correct. It tells you which way to go.